Devananda Gaudiya Math. Because my uncle Madhusudana Maharaj, that is Krishna Kripa Brahmachari. Actually, I did not see him when he was small baby actually, maybe 10 or 11 years old. Then he left house. So I did not see him. Just I heard glories about him from my mother, from my relative others. So just my university finished, then I was thinking, oh, I have to go Navadvip Dham to take darshan. So when I first came, and that time I met with my uncle, then that I was not planned to stay in temple, not planned anything. Just anything, I visit Navadvip Dham, this is good. No plan to stay in Navadvip temple. That's why I want to visit Navadvip Dham. But when I came that time, my uncle so much love and affection with me. And then I also staying with the devotees are there. Then that time when I came, that time no sannyasis in Devananda Gaudiya Math. Mostly they went out to preaching. Even Bhavan Goswami Maharaj is not there. He was in Siliguri, Ramahayar preach. No sannyasi is there. Only brahmachari, one senior most brahmachari, he gave class Brihad Bhagavatamrita. That time I knew I cannot understand everything. What the philosophy, what they are speaking, something, just I give attention. But I am not that time not satisfied. The brahmachari is Hari Katha. I am not satisfied. Then one devotee told me, okay, very elevated, and Vaishnav is the disciple of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. Come with me. Then I went, and first I met with Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj. And that time he was very sick also. And when I met with him, that time I saw only few devotees, Western devotees. They also surrounded him, and he was laying on a chair. And in front of him, and they gave the microphone, and he spoke Hari Katha. First I listened Hari Katha from his lotus lips. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, ya Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karmadi Anabritam. This sloka. I was very impressed. And especially, he was so much intoxicated with Gaurana. Because when devotees, they ask any question, in the middle, he was chanting Gaura, 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 Gaura. That time I'm very impressed, because I have so much love and affection of Lord Chaitanya in my beginning, my birth. That I'm thinking, oh, I have come in right place. Because one who chants Gaura Naam, then I'm so much impressed. So, that time also I cannot understand everything, his language. Because Bhakti Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, English language also very, what is called, high level English, not simple English. And I cannot understand all his English words, but that time also I forgot one American devotee, he was so much love and affection. He also explained very nicely. So much, for this regard, every day I used to go his temple. In this way, about 2 months passed. And Bhakti Rakha so much love and affection with me. He gave blessing. Then after 2 months, then Narayana Maharaj Gurudev, he came from Mathura to Devananda Gaudiya Math. Then first time I met with him. I also heard glories about him, because many devotees, when they used to come Navadvip Parikrama, they glorify Narayana Maharaj's high class Hari Katha, Braj Katha. So when I first met with Gurudev, when I entered his room, Gurudev, I remember that time Gurudev asked me, Where you come from? That time one devotee told me, oh, he is the nephew of Krishna Kripa Brahmachari,
Ele é o sobrinho de Krishna
É.
Brahmachari.
my uncle.
Pertinho.
That time Gurudev told, okay, good. Gurudev asked me, you are chanting holy names?
Você canta a canção dos
I
nomes.
told Gurudev, I am chanting holy names in my mind.
Fala, Gurudev, eu canto os nomes da minha mente.
Vamos mandando, vamos mandando.
Gurudev told, no, no, no. You
Gurudev
have
falou,
to chant holy names
não.
with
Canta
Japamala.
isso de Japão.
That time I very clearly asked Gurudev, I told, Maharaj, where you will get the Japamala?
Maharaj, onde que eu consegui estudar?
That time Gurudev and second, what is called, Servant Navin Krishna Brahmachari.
Aí na Vini Krishna, Brahmachari, que era o
É.
servente, primeiro.
Then Gurudev told, hey, bring one Japamala.
Traz uma
Then
Japamala.
this Japamala,
Essa
Gurudev
Japamala.
gave. This Japamala Gurudev gave me first time.
Essa
This was the
Japamala
first
que Gurudev
Japamala,
deu.
Yeah, this Japamala, Nan Maharaj gave me.
Nice.
In his room, he gave me, and I
Nesse
chant
quarto
holy
que ele
name.
deu.
Wow. And you still have it, huh?
Yeah. So I chant Japamala
Cantar
Harinam
Japamala, né?
every day.
Todo dia.
Yeah. Then after 1 month, then Vaman Goswami Maharaj Sri Gurudev came.
Aí vamos no Senhor.
According to the Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti rule, only one Acharya.
Só tinha um acharya naquela
So
época.
everybody taking to Harinam, because first Harinam, then second initiation. These are the rules of Gaudiya Math.
Não, mas depois que tinha iniciação.
I went sitting, that time giving Harinam to everybody. Then I am sitting, that time in my hand also Japamala. Then Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he asked, who gave this Japamala? I told Nan Maharaj gave me. But just he took and to pranam, on his head, then again he returned back.
Aí me deu de volta.
Then my mind was disturbed. That means he did not give me Harinam. And he told, okay, you chant holy name.
Ah, entendi.
Then I returned back to
Falou, canta santos nomes.
Nan Goswami Maharaj. He
Canta
told,
devoção.
oh, you gave me Japamala, but Gurudev, he did not.
Você me deu Japamala, mas
That time he
Gurudev não
told,
me
you
deu.
know, Nan Maharaj, Vaman Goswami Maharaj always very humble. He thinking, I am non-different from him.
Ele pensa que eu sou não diferente dele. Nada
Okay.
disso.
Don't worry, don't
Ok,
worry.
não se preocupe. Ele ficou preocupado.
So this way, that time then, after 6 months,
Aí depois de 6
Then-
meses,
I think, what is it called? Gaurupuni, then
agora para mim,
Gurudev, then Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he gave Diksha. Because Nan Goswami Maharaj, that time he did not give Diksha, only he gave Harinam.
Harinam.
But you received, when you took Harinam, did you receive any name?
Quando você entra no Harinam, você
In
recebe um nome.
Gaudiya Math, in the beginning, they are not, Harinam not there, they are giving the,
Mas não era assim,
what is it called, spiritual name. Because all Indians, their name is spiritual name.
Oh.
My name is Subal Sakha.
Yes, I know.
So no need to give that.
Okay. And when you took Diksha?
I did that after 6 months. Mane? What is called?
It was
Gaurupuni.
82. You reached
That was
81?
beginning of the 82.
82, yeah.
82.
So, did you receive any name that time? No?
At that time also, Gurudev gave his name, what is his name? Sudhan, no, that's
Sudhana.
Sudhanna Brahmachari.
Sudananda Brahmachari.
Sudhanna Brahmachari.
Oh.
Sudhana.
That time Gurudev, when Nan gave, oh, this name is not Brajanam. I give it. That time Gurudev, oh, your his name Subal Sakha is very nice name.
Then you maintain Subalsaka.
Huh?
Maharaj, who really gave for you sannyasi mantra?
My mantra, actually Nan Maharaj gave me.
Yes.
Nan Maharaj gave us sannyas.
Esse manto que eu dei.
Yes. Sannyas mantra, Nan Maharaj gave.
All in 2000.
2000.
I was there.
You are there?
Yeah.
When I took sannyas, you are there?
Yeah, before you take sannyas, I was there. I saw you explain Siddhanta to all. Many devotees. You are explaining all Siddhantas. Gurudev said, go to him many times. He can explain everything.
So then you started leaving the temple.
Huh?
Then you started leaving.
Yes. When I heard Harikatha from Nan Goswami Maharaj, that time I did not go back.
Eu não voltei mais para o Bhakti. Ok.
Please, my.
So,
From that day, I never also returned back my home.
Desde aquele dia eu nunca mais
you
voltei.
have seen Radharani and my Gurudev.
Huh?
Same Radharani. And Gurudeva gave you Gopi mantra.
Yeah.
The same Radhika.
This is confidential.
I cannot tell, huh?
How I can get?
Huh?
If I don't know.
Slowly, slowly, not one day.
Fica falando? Onde?
Todo dia,
Gopi
não só
mantra
um
means
dia.
Manjari Bhav is there. Right. Sannyas mantra means that. There is Gopi Bhav. Actually, this is the essence of Gopal mantra and Kam Gayatri.
Essência do Gopal Mantra como Gayatri.
Gopal mantra, Kam Gayatri, inside also everything is there. Are same things also elaborately manifested in the Sannyas mantra, Gopi mantra.
Be careful.
महाप्रभु तो प्रभु कहे ये बेश धारण मात्र निवृत्त करिब भजन जाइए वृंदावन. Gopi mantra means is what? How to perform bhajan and sadhan and absorb with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. This Then after 1 year I came Mathura. Then I was staying with Guru.
Mas after you take sannyas, you go to Mathura or no? After you take Diksha.
Huh?
After you take sannyas, Diksha.
After Diksha,
Okay, 83. So 83 you went to Mathura.
82, end of 82 something.
Oh, and okay.
Ram.
Is there any possibility to explain today Tarunamrit?
High level, everybody cannot understand. Speak in seat, then can. Because Karnamrita, that is called after Vaisandhi, that is entered in the, what is called, youth, yoga. Because gopis, they are 6 steps of their youth. That is called Bhakta Jovan, Nava Jovan, Purna Jovan. Bhakta Jovan means just they give up their restlessness, chanchalata.
Significa as gotas abandonadas.
Understand? And now gopis, they also grew up and all their ladies activities manifested in their hearts. Kavi Karnapur very nicely explained this way. When gopis, they grew up in Vaisandhi and going to enter in Bhakta Jovana. Bhakta Jovana means is what? They are the youth about to manifest. What we say? You know, and that time they become very shy and they mostly they cover their head with the veil. They are not speaking too much and always to shy and absorb with Krishna. Because this is the nature of the young girl. When they are young girl, that time they realize, oh, I am girl and they are born. And also their society, they also divided two ways. And that means is what? That their superiors, mother, father and relative, they told, oh, now you are about to young, so should not associate with Krishna. Gopis, always they are absorbed with Krishna. Because from their childhood, they always associate with Krishna. But now their parents, they told, oh, you are now young and you should be separate. And girls, they also play and one way, and boys, they should play another way. Not to stick, not
Together.
mix together. That is called the Indian Vedic culture. But gopis, they are so much attached with Krishna. How possible they will separate from Krishna? But they have to follow the rules of the society. So, gopis, they are thinking what will do now. So, gopis, they completely absorbed with Krishna. Because they have so much anurag. Anurag means deep attachment coming. So that is the first time that is called Purvarag coming. Purvarag. So Sukadeva Goswami Pad spoke many Hari Katha from first canto to 10th canto. Even 10th canto, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told many Krishna sweet pastimes. But now Sukadeva Goswami Pad is speaking about Gopi's Purvarag. That is called Venugit is coming. Purvarag means Venugit. That means Gopis now they enter about their, what is called? Bhakta Jovan. So I also explain Bhakta Jovan, youth. Manifest their youth. Because their bodies, structure, everything also are, they realize, changed. Their chest, their thigh, their feet, leg, egg, mouth, everything is what? Changed. When any girl grew up and coming in the stage of Bhakta Jovan, that means she realized, oh, I am girl, I have to separate from this way. In the same way, gopis, they also realize themselves. And here society also to give the instruction, we have to do this. But gopis cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. Because Sukadeva Goswami Pad in Srimad Bhagavatam now explain how gopis feeling separation from Krishna. Before Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he did not utter any name of gopis, no gopis katha is there. In Venugit, that time, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he explained, suddenly he explained about gopis Purvarag katha. Because Purvarag, this is how the feeling separation. Because meeting and separation, this is the two things of our prem. It's like one coin, two sides. One is meeting and another is called separation. So now, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he explained the separation from Krishna. Gopis, how they feel separation from Krishna. This is coming. So, Viraha, separation, coming in four ways. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas and Prema, Vaichitta. And so here is also first Purvarag. Venugit is coming. That time gopis, they cannot go out from their house. They have to stay in their house. But always they remember to Krishna. Hare
Krishna.
So they worship the flute.
And they glorify about Krishna's flute also. Venugit, when Krishna used to go herding the cows, and gopis, they disappear. So So now coming in this way, then love is one thing. We cannot discuss the material love. Transcendental love is so much and high level. They cannot tolerate. And so much, what is called? And transcendental, what is called? Lust coming. Not material lust. That is called transcendental lust coming. They cannot tolerate. They have to meet with Krishna. But how they would meet with Krishna now? This is the thing. So Tarunya is coming this way. The gopis there thinking how to meet with Krishna. And that time they also discuss to each other about Krishna's glorification and Krishna's Venu, Rupa Madhurya, Guna Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, and Prema Madhurya. Venugit means Ishwar. And Krishna's for sweetness Madhurya glorification in India. But gopis, they are very clever. They always are explaining everything indirectly. Their heart, their thing, they not discuss and direct. Because they are also, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told one thing. In this material world, lover and beloved, generally, what is called? Male person, beloved, he expressed his sentiments from his heart. Understand? Do you understand or not? What do you understand?
Yeah.
Male person in this material world, male person, beloved, he expressed his heart. Female, they are always very shy. They cannot express their heart. This is the nature of this material world. But in the transcendental world, transcendental love, completely opposite. This is the thing. Transcendental world, that is his lover. She expresses her sentiments this way. But how these sentiments are heard? They indirectly. So Venugit means is what these things. Venugit means they glorify to Krishna and express their heart indirectly. Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad give an example as like a one very greedy person who eats the rasgulla. So what will do? Then one day he came his one friend's house. His friend, he knows, oh, my friend is very eager to eat rasgulla. But friend will not tell, oh, bring rasgulla for me. He cannot say. But friend, he knows, my friend, he likes to eat rasgulla. So he brought rasgulla from the market. Then his friend asked, hey, why did you bring rasgulla? He knows everything, but he told, why did you bring rasgulla? And then his friend he told, do you know, today is very super excellent, auspicious day. So today maybe my Thakurji's birthday. So for this regard, I brought rasgulla for Thakurji. Friend was not saying, I brought this rasgulla for you. Otherwise this ras will be what? Not manifest. Rasa means prema, mellows, completely what? Hidden away. And if I tell you I love you, that is not real love. Love is what? That is hidden. Love will not say I love you. Sometimes gopis they use this word I love Krishna when they come in ecstatic mood. That time they tell. Mainly they are saying, oh, we don't love. So now gopis is thinking how to explain their heart. So in Venugit, everything is what? Gopis sentiments, bhav, and explain in this way. And indirectly. They are saying, oh look, how the rivers, they have love and affection with Krishna. Because this river so much intoxicated with Krishna's sound of the flute, Govinda Venudhari. because the water is coming from up to down, but water is not going to down. Eh? They are also making
Whirlpools.
the whirlpool.
Uh-huh.
Eh? So gopis in this way, actual gopis, they express their own sentiments, bhav, how they have love and affection. This Nabdastata Tudpadharja Mukunda Geetam. This sloka is very explained in this way. Actually, in this verse, gopis, they express their own sentiments, how they have lust, transcendental lust. Always remember, gopi lust means transcendental lust. And that transcendental lust, that is called perfect love, prema. Premaiva goparamanam, premaiva goparamanam, kamaiva mittavadhiyate. Gopis love actually called transcendental lust, not material. So now gopis in coming in after Vaisandhi to Bhakta Jovan. Then they are thinking what to do now. So they express in their heart with their friends, girlfriends, and that is called Benugit Purbarag. So in this, what is it called? Tarunamrita means this. When Tarun means youth coming, how they express their sentiments. They different way. They explain Ujjal Nirmani, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and also others, Grantha Rupa Goswami Pad. Different Granthas, many things explained in there. And it's so much they are love and affection with Krishna. And many things I cannot to tell now you.
Many things I cannot tell you.
Huh? Yeah. Then your material
Only little, Maharaj. Maybe
material
tonight.
lust will come. He's thinking of
Maybe tonight, a little, huh?
More. Yeah?
Tarunamrita, Lavanam, then Lavanamrita more. That is called back. That is called back to Purna Jovan.
Purna Jovan.
That is also very high level. How gopis, they are also feeling separation of Krishna. That is called Srimati Radhika's Dibba Unmadasa, transcendental madness coming. That is called Bhramar Gita is coming.
What is called?
Bhramar Gita,
Ramana Gita.
the song of the bamboo bees. Huh?
Gopi Gita, which one?
Gopi Gita also in this, what is called?
Purvarag.
No, after Purvarag, this is coming. In the beginning of the Tarunamritam. Yeah. Then Lavanamritam.
Lavanam.
This is very high level things.
And what's the topmost?
Huh?
The topmost.
Topmost.
Which one is?
Topmost there is
Brahmana Gita.
Lavanamrita Bhavana Bhramar Gita.
Lavanam.
The Lavana. Heart, the Lavana means a delightfulness. Effulgence coming. Mukta Phalesu. As like the some, what is called? Glittering or delight coming from the Mukta. Mukta means the pearls. And in the same way, gopis moved in this way. Because they are coming in Purna Jovan. As like in the month of June and July in India, that is called month of Bhadra. That time river is full of water and big waves. That So in the same way, gopis Purna Jovan coming. When Purna Jovan means full youthfulness coming. Do you understand? When full youthfulness coming, and that time they have a transcendental, what is called? Transcendental lust coming. They're very difficult to control. Huh? I cannot tell you. Ladies, huh?
Okay.
Only material.
Yes, yes, okay.
Only.
You are in mature world.
Everybody close already this
Yeah.
youth.
It's not for Badajiv. Huh?
Yeah.
This is very. So that time Krishna, he played the flute. So say Nisammagitam Tadananga Vardhanam Gopo Brajastriyo. When Krishna played the flute, gopis that time they came out. Here Sukdev Goswami Nisammagitam Tadananga Vardhanam. Tad Ananga Vardhanam. Ananga means transcendental lust. Na Anganam iti Tadanangam. In our what is called? In our what is mantra? Kam Gayatri.
Kama Gayatri.
Ah, Tadananga. Ananga means is a
Ananga.
transcendental Kamdev. With the presiding deities of
Ananga é a luxúria transcendental.
transcendental lust.
Luxúria transcendental, Ananga.
But Krishna played the flute, then gopis transcendental lust, that is a prem. And matter. Gopis they cannot tolerate themselves. Gopis all they also had ran away from their house. So saying Tadam Nisammagitam Tadananga Vardhanam Gopastriyo Ajogunu Uddama Lakshita Alakshita. They are running very quick towards Krishna. And all gopis are thinking Krishna only he is calling to me. All gopis are running side by side. But so much they intoxicated with the transcendental lust, they did not see to each other.
Only for me. Huh?
That's it. Because lust is very dangerous.
A luxúria é muito perigosa.
Even in this material lust, very dangerous.
Muito perigosa.
Lusty people, they cannot tolerate their transcendental lust. They know everything. Oh, if I do this, society will be give me heavy punishment. Government will put in jail. But still they also are.
They do.
Why? Because the lust is very dangerous. What do you say about the transcendental lust? Aprakita prema. Aprakita kam. This is they are not easy. Because especially the sound of the flute, Govinda Venu Dhani. Yadi, say Nisammagitam Tad Ananga Vardhanam. Tad Ananga Vardhanam, that means gopi is, Ananga means transcendental lust increase. Because Venu Dhani is very powerful. Then gopis they also are dragged. Dragged, no sir?
Drag it.
Dragged by force.
Drag it.
They gave up the rules rules and regulation of the society. Everything. Because transcendental lust is coming. Because Govinda is calling to. So this is that is
Govinda está
actual.
chamando elas.
He's going that way. Then after Sukdev Goswami Pad explained when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, then gopis they felt pang of separation, high level separation. And that is called Brahmar Git coming. Gopis Srimati Radhika's or Dibban Mata. Many things. I read Jaiva Dharma, they must.
Javadama Singh.
Udipana for Madhura Rasa is Murali.
Murali, yeah.
Murali. What's the difference between Murali and Venu? Now you just spoke about Venu. And Vanshi.
Bongsi, Murali and Benu.
And then different.
These three fruits are there.
Yeah.
Actual,
Acho que já passou.
No.
Bongsi, that is called male.
quê?
Murali,
Vamsi é masculino.
Ah, tá.
or Murali,
Murali
or another
is
Venu.
Murali Vanshi.
And Bongsi, that is called the male person,
Vamos chamar
male,
homens.
masculine gender.
Gênero masculino.
Or Murali, and that is called also female gender,
feminine.
feminine gender.
E a Murali
Feminine.
é
Eh. But they are same categories. That they are coming from same what is it, caste.
In family, huh?
Bangsi is coming from the bamboo trees. There's a bamboo. Mostly we are to see that is called within. And Murali also same things, but some different kinds of bamboo tree.
Bamboo. Okay.
Ah. But they are not qualified. So gopis, they criticize to Bangsi, Murali and
Venu.
Benu. Benu also masculine gender. Benu Bangsi masculine gender.
Venu and Bangsi.
Murali
Feminine.
feminine gender. But though Murali is feminine gender, but he is called the same line of Bangsi.
Bangsi.
They are not qualified to, because without Parakiya Bhav, Parmul mood, no one can taste the sweet mellows from the lotus leaves of Krishna. This is the process also. They have no these types of mood. So for this regard, gopis, they also criticize to them.
Oh.
This is the thing.
He
They were
criticized
not very
Krishna.
nicely explain this way.
Oh, flower.
And how will you recognize this is Murali, this is Bangsi,
Oh, okay.
and this is according they are different what is called holes they are.
Oh,
Holes.
the
Chidra.
holes. The tunes, huh?
No,
No, there is 8.
there is the holes.
8 is at another side.
Yes.
On one.
Different way. That is this is this is the process also.
The number of holes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That means is what? Different kinds of their sentiments have there. And because in the realm of love, prema rajya, everything depends on bhav, mood. These are things. And also some bangsi made by the, what is called? No, put in some different kinds of jewels.
Jewels.
They are put
metals.
also, metals they are putting in there.
Yeah.
That kind of
Like the
different-
one we put in altar.
Because yes, that is, and
So
different
that one is
different
Venu.
tune coming also.
Ah.
Tune different tune. These things.
Maharaj is
Sometimes
here.
gopis they also very humble, tell, oh Bangsi, oh Murali, you are very fortune. Sometimes they criticize, you are not fortune, different. Kosalasma Benu. How possible Benu? Who will be drink and sweet nectar from the lotus leaves of our beloved Govinda. You are saying they are this. There are many things also.
Want to take a picture, Maharaj?
Huh?
Take a picture.
Oh, okay.
Srila Prabhupada